Good morning, everyone. This is Rashima Pava, your English teacher, and today I am going to explain you the grammar topic, and the name of our topic is adjectives, kinds of adjectives. Today I am going to tell you how many kinds of adjectives we have in our syllabus, but before this, the main important thing is we need to learn and we need to know what is an adjective. वी शुड नो दैट वॉट इज़ एन एडजेक्टिव कि एक एडजेक्टिव आखिर होता क्या है. बच्चे, एन एडजेक्टिव इज़ अ वर्ड यूज्ड विद अ नाउन टू ऐड समथिंग टू इट्स मीनिंग. It means that all those words which are going to express noun, which are going to express the meaning or noun, or all those words which we use to express the meaning of noun are called एडजेक्टिव्स. इट मीन्स कि वो सारे वर्ड्स जो कि आप नाउन की मीनिंग बताने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं वो सब क्या होते हैं? एडजेक्टिव्स होते हैं. लाइक फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल आई सेड डॉल, तो डॉल इज़ अ नाउन. बट इफ आई से ब्यूटिफुल डॉल, so this word beautiful is expressing about the noun. This word beautiful is telling and more explaining about noun. So here beautiful is an adjective. So all those words which are going to describe something about noun are called adjectives. An adjective is usually put before the noun. It describes, but sometimes it is also used as separated from the noun and put after verbs like is, am, are, was, were, seem, appear, etc. It means always we are going to put the describing word after the noun, but in some cases when we are not having noun, we are having pronoun or any another thing, so in that case we will put the adjective after the verb. इट मीन्स कि बच्चे जब भी आपके पास में सेंटेंसेस में नाउन की जगह प्रोनाउन या अनदर कोई काइंड दे रखा है तो वहाँ पर आप वर्ब की जगह वर्ब के बाद में एडजेक्टिव को प्लेस करेंगे. लाइक आई सेड she is beautiful, so here I am not using any noun. I didn't take any name of any girl or any another one person, so here I wrote she, so she is a pronoun. So in this case I will write the adjective after the verb. So she is beautiful, it means कि वो girl कैसी है. she we use here always for a girl or lady, so here ब्यूटिफुल इज एक्सप्रेसिंग अबाउट दैट गर्ल कि वो गर्ल कैसी है, वो गर्ल ब्यूटिफुल है. सो एडजेक्टिव इज हेयर प्लेस्ड आफ्टर द वर्ब एंड द वर्ब इज. नाउ कम टू द पॉइंट दैट हाउ मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स वी हैव. बच्चे, वी हैव 6 kinds of adjectives with us. The first one is adjectives of quality, second is adjective of quantity, another is adjective of number, fourth is demonstrative adjective, fifth is interrogative adjective, and the last one is possessive adjective. Now come to the first one. The first one is adjective of quality. Now what are adjectives of quality? Such adjectives tell us about the quality or kind of a person or thing we are talking about. It means whenever we are going to tell someone's qualities, whenever we are going to tell something special about someone, some person or some things, so all those special things which we are going to talk about are called adjectives of quality. बच्चे, ऐसा होता है कि हम सब में कुछ ना कुछ क्वालिटीज़ होती हैं, किसी पर्सन में भी और किसी थिंग में भी. जब हम किसी भी पर्सन या थिंग की कोई क्वालिटी के बारे में बात करते हैं तो वो क्या होता है? वो एडजेक्टिव्स ऑफ क्वालिटी होता है. ठीक है. लाइक फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल आई सेड आयशा इज़ अ क्यूट गर्ल. तो आयशा कैसी गर्ल है यहाँ पर? आयशा इज़ अ क्यूट गर्ल. तो शी इज़ अ क्यूट गर्ल. कैसी गर्ल है वो यहाँ पर? क्यूट है. सो हेयर द वर्ड क्यूट इज़ गोइंग टू एक्सप्रेस हर क्वालिटी कि उसकी क्वालिटी क्या है यहाँ पर? क्यूट. सो हेयर द एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी इज़ क्यूट. Whenever we are going to use such words which are going to express some qualities of a person or thing, are called adjective of quality. Another example I am going to present here for one more example, and the another is I said he bought a beautiful car. तो कार कैसी लेकर आया है वो? ब्यूटीफुल लाया है. तो इट मीन्स कि यहाँ पर क्वालिटी क्या है कार की? कार कैसी है? कार ब्यूटीफुल है. सो हेयर द एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी इज ब्यूटीफुल. So it is adjective of quality whenever we are going to talk about some qualities of a person or thing. Next one is going to say that adjective of quantity. Now बच्चे you need to always remember that all those things which are uncountable, वो सारी चीज़ें जो uncountable है are comes in adjective of quantity. What is adjective of quantity? Such adjectives tell us about the quantity. Such adjectives tell us about the quantity. It means it tell us how much of a thing is meant. कि कोई भी चीज़ हमारे पास कितनी quantity में है. That how much word. Whenever we are going to answer this question, which question? How much. जब हम इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर करेंगे दैट आंसर इज आर एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. एंड व्हेनेवर वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट अनकाउंटेबल थिंग्स, जब भी हम अनकाउंटेबल थिंग्स की बात करेंगे वो किसके अंदर आएंगे? हमेशा वो हमेशा एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी में आएंगे. जस्ट लाइक वी कांट काउंट राइस, वी कांट काउंट शुगर, we can't count water, etc. Some things are there which we can't count. So all those uncountable things will become in adjective of quantity. Like for an example, here I am going to present is that there is enough water in the jar. कि जार में enough water है, काफ़ी पानी है, पर्याप्त पानी है. तो इसका मतलब आई कैन नॉट काउंट द वाटर, आई कैन नॉट काउंट द क्वांटिटी ऑफ अ वाटर. तो यहाँ पर ये क्या है? अनकाउंटेबल है. जो भी चीज़ें अनकाउंटेबल होंगी उनके लिए हमने जो वर्ड्स यूज़ करे हैं वो सब क्या है? एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी हैं. सो हेयर इनफ वर्ड इज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. आई विल से नो राइस वॉज सर्व टू द गेस्ट. तो राइस बिल्कुल भी सर्व नहीं किए थे, तो राइस इज अनकाउंटेबल. तो फॉर राइस आई यूज्ड हियर नो. So the word here no is adjective of quantity. Next is adjectives of number. Now all those persons and things which we can count, it means all those things which we can count are comes in adjective of number. An adjective of number tells us how many persons or things are mean. In quantity we answered how much, and in number we answered how many. So whenever we are going to answer about how many persons or things are meant, it is adjectives of number. In adjective of quantity all uncountable things will become, and in adjective of number all countable things will become. ठीक है? All countable things will become in adjective of number. Like for an example, I am going to present here like I have 2 pencils in my box. So here I can count how many pencils I have. 2 pencils. So it means here adjective of number is 2. Whenever we are going to count something, that countable words are adjective of number. ठीक है? Now one more condition is here. बच्चे we have 2 kinds of adjectives of number with us. Like adjectives of number which state the exact number of noun are called cardinals. Whenever we are going to talk about exact numbers, those are called cardinals. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are cardinals. Like one pencil, 8 balls, 5 boxes. तो ये 1, 2, 3, 4 these are cardinals. And whenever we are going to talk about some positions or in a order in which a person or thing stands, that order is called ordinal. Like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So whenever we are having th in the last of a number, those words are called ordinal. Cardinals are 1, 2, 3, 4 and ordinals are first, second, third, fourth, fifth. these are ordinals. All right, so we have two kinds of adjectives of number with us. First is cardinal and another is ordinal. Now you are able to differentiate what is cardinal and what is ordinal. Now there is some difference between adjective of quantity and adjective of quality. If I am going to write that I have few rice in the box, or I have few rice in the bowl. So in this sentence बच्चे you are going to say ma'am we are confused that is it a adjective of quantity or number. So here I am going to tell you बच्चे all those uncountable things will become in adjective of quantity and all the countable things will become in adjective of number. So it is the major difference between adjective of quantity and number. Another is बच्चे adjective of number are used with countable noun, as I told you, like whenever we are going to talk about some countable things, those are adjectives of number. Like beta, for an example, I am going to tell you one example here. Like I said, there are few people in the hall. Now we can easily count बच्चे how many people. Few people यानी कि कुछ थोड़े से लोग जो हैं, कुछ लोग हॉल में हैं. अब वो कुछ लोग कितने लोग हैं, वी कैन काउंट दैट पीपल ना, हम लोग उन लोगों को काउंट कर सकते हैं. सो इट इज़ एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर. इफ़ आई सेड देयर इज़ फ्यू शुगर इन द कंटेनर, नाउ आई कैन नॉट काउंट कि यहाँ पर जो फ्यू यूज़ हुआ है इसमें कितनी शुगर है. सो दिस फ्यू शुगर इज़ एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी एंड फ्यू पीपल इज़ एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर. Now you can easily differentiate between adjective of quantity and adjective of number. Come to the next one, which is the fourth, that demonstrative adjectives. Such adjectives point out which person or things is referred to. It means whenever we are going to talk about some persons or some things, all those referred words are called demonstrative adjectives. बच्चे जब भी हम किसी के बारे में बात करते हैं, किसी के बारे में कोई बात करते हैं, किसी को पॉइंट आउट करके बात करते हैं, तो जब हम पॉइंट आउट करने के लिए जिन वर्ड्स को यूज़ करते हैं ना, वो होते हैं demonstrative adjectives. Like for an example, I am going to tell you some words which are going to be considered in demonstrative adjectives, like this, that, these, those, such, certain. These are the words which considered in demonstrative adjectives. If I say these mangoes are sour, it means that so many mangoes are kept here, and from those these ones mangoes are sour. It means I have some mangoes here on the table, and from all those mangoes these particular mangoes are sour. So here I am pointing some such mangoes. Here I am pointing such mangoes that these mangoes are sour. So the word these is a demonstrative adjective. Alright बच्चे. Now demonstrative adjectives are followed by nouns while demonstrative pronouns stand alone. ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. Demonstrative adjective जो होता है वो noun के साथ follow होता है, and demonstrative pronoun हमेशा अकेला रहता है. Like for an example, I am going to differentiate now. That was a fantastic idea. Now it is a pronoun. Why? Because यहाँ पर ये अकेला stand है. ये जो idea है ये fantastic है. It's a pronoun. यहाँ पर कहीं पर भी कोई noun consider नहीं किया जा रहा. Now that idea was fantastic. अब मैं particularly उस idea को बोल रही हूँ कि जो ये idea आपने बोला है ना, ये बहुत अच्छा बोला है. So it is an adjective. Alright. Now come to the next one. Come to the next one is interrogative adjectives. These adjectives are used with nouns to ask questions. बच्चे whenever we are going to ask some questions, so all those words which are used to ask such questions are called interrogative adjectives. It means all those WH words or helping verbs which are considered as asking for questions are called interrogative adjectives. For an example, I am going to tell you some sentences now. Like, what are you doing? So here I am asking a question कि आप क्या कर रहे हो? सो इसके लिए मैंने कौन सा वर्ड यूज़ किया? what. So here what is an interrogative adjective. I am going to tell you the another one, just like whose book is this? So here this word whose is an interrogative adjective. So all those words which are going to use to ask some questions are called interrogative adjectives. Now come to the last one, it is possessive adjective. The words my, our, your, his, her, its, their are possessive adjectives when used with noun to show who possesses something. It means बच्चे whenever we are going to possess something, ठीक है, such words which are going to use with noun to tell that who is possessing this particular thing or person. यानी कि जब भी हम किसी भी वर्ड को सच वर्ड्स को यूज़ करते हैं नाउन के साथ में, ये किसी का पोजेशन बताने के लिए, किसी भी पर्सन और थिंग के साथ उसका पोजेशन बताने के लिए हम लोग जिन वर्ड्स को यूज़ करते हैं वो पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स होते हैं. हम इनके लिए किन वर्ड्स को यूज़ करते हैं? सम वर्ड्स आर हेयर विच आर माई, आवर, योर, हिज, हर, इट्स, देयर. ये जितने भी वर्ड्स हैं, ये वर्ड्स हम किन के लिए यूज़ करते हैं? टू शो सम पोजेशन विद अ नाउन. ठीक है, हम लोग किसी नाउन के साथ जब कोई पोजेस करते हैं किसी भी चीज़ को, तो वहाँ पर हम इन वर्ड्स को यूज़ करते हैं. और ये वर्ड्स क्या कहलाते हैं? दीज वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स. नाउ फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज़ योर हैट. So I am going to tell you that this hat is considered with you. तो मैंने यहाँ पे क्या बताया कि ये हैट किसकी है? तुम्हारी है. तो here I am going to express the possession with noun. मैं यहाँ पर नाउन क्या है? हैट. मैं हैट के साथ पोजेशन बता रही हूँ कि ये हैट किससे बिलोंग करती है? तुमसे बिलोंग करती है. तो दिस इज़ योर हैट. तो हेयर पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव इज़ योर. नेक्स्ट इज़ My books are on the table. Now book is a noun which we all know. तो यहाँ पर जो बुक के साथ जो वर्ड कंसीडर किया जा रहा है बुक के रिलेशन को बताने के लिए, that is my. So here possessive adjective is my. By this we have completed our topic of adjectives. In this we have talked about 6 kinds of adjectives which are adjective of quality. In that we talk about the qualities of a noun. In the another we talk about adjective of quantity. Here we talk about the uncountable things quantity and we need to answer how much. Third is adjective of number. In this we need to answer this question. We need to answer the question how many. It means these are countable. Fourth is demonstrative adjective, whenever we are going to refer something, and those words are called demonstrative adjective. Next is interrogative adjective, whenever we are going to ask some questions. So all those words are called interrogative adjective. And the last is possessive adjective, whenever we are going to possess something with the condition of noun. Those are called possessive adjectives. So here we have completed the revision of our topic is adjective and kinds of its adjective. I hope you all have understood this topic clearly now. In case if you have any problem, then you can contact me. Thank you everyone. Have a very nice day ahead.